Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start using the tools you have today. AI can be your game changer. Here's the secret. Your future isn't decided yet. Every choice you make today shapes where you'll be tomorrow. And with AI, you can make those choices smarter, faster, and better. Need help finding your dream job? AI can match you with opportunities you never knew existed. Want to learn something new? Let AI customize a plan just for you. Have big ideas? AI can help you turn them into reality step by step. You don't need to be a tech genius, just curious enough to try. So don't just watch the future happen, create it. Start today. Let AI be your guide and watch how your tomorrow transforms.